ATP, and cellular respiration, how your body produces energy. Have you ever wondered how your body powers every single action you take? From thinking to running to even digesting your food, your body needs a constant supply of energy. This energy comes in the form of a molecule called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. But how does your body make ATP, and why is it so crucial for life? In this video, we'll break down the process of cellular respiration, the incredible biochemical process that produces ATP and fuels everything your body does. What is ATP? ATP is often referred to as the energy currency of the cell. Just like money, ATP is used to pay for the energy costs of various cellular processes. It's made up of adenine, ribose, a sugar, and 3 phosphate groups. The key to ATP's power lies in the bonds between these phosphate groups. When one of these bonds is broken, energy is released, and the molecule becomes ADP, adenosine diphosphate. Your cells are constantly converting ADP back into ATP through a process known as cellular respiration, ensuring a steady supply of energy. Stage 1. Glycolysis. The first stage of cellular respiration is glycolysis, a process that takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. Glycolysis doesn't require oxygen, which is why it's known as anaerobic respiration. In this stage, a molecule of glucose, derived from the food you eat, is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvate. This process releases a small amount of energy, enough to produce 2 molecules of ATP. Glycolysis is fast and efficient, providing your body with a quick burst of energy when needed. However, it's only the first step in a much larger process. Stage 2. The Krebs cycle. After glycolysis, the pyruvate molecules are transported into the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, where the next stage, called the Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, takes place. The Krebs cycle is an aerobic process, meaning it requires oxygen. During this cycle, the pyruvate is broken down further, releasing carbon dioxide as a byproduct. The real benefit of the Krebs cycle comes from the production of electron carriers, such as NADH and FADH2. These molecules will play a crucial role in the next stage of cellular respiration. While the Krebs cycle itself only produces 2 additional ATP molecules, it sets the stage for the bulk of ATP production. Stage 3. The electron transport chain. The final and most important stage of cellular respiration is the electron transport chain, which occurs along the inner membrane of the mitochondria. This is where most of the ATP is generated, up to 34 molecules per glucose molecule. Here's how it works. The electron carriers NADH and FADH2 produced in the Krebs cycle donate their electrons to the electron transport chain. These electrons are passed along a series of protein complexes, creating a flow of energy. This energy is used to pump protons across the mitochondrial membrane, creating an electrochemical gradient. Once this gradient is established, the protons flow back through a protein called ATP synthase. This process, known as chemiosmosis, generates ATP in large quantities. Oxygen plays a crucial role here. It acts as the final electron acceptor at the end of the chain, combining with electrons and protons to form water. Without oxygen, the entire process would grind to a halt, which is why oxygen is so essential for life. Efficiency and adaptability. Cellular respiration is incredibly efficient, allowing your body to extract as much energy as possible from the food you consume. But the process is also highly adaptable. When oxygen levels are low, like during intense exercise, your body can switch to anaerobic respiration, relying more on glycolysis to quickly produce ATP. However, this comes at a cost. Anaerobic respiration is less efficient and produces lactic acid, which can lead to muscle fatigue. On the other hand, when oxygen is plentiful, your body runs the full aerobic process of cellular respiration, maximizing ATP production. This adaptability ensures that your cells can meet your energy needs, whether you're resting or running a marathon. Cellular respiration is one of the most fundamental processes of life, powering everything from your heartbeat to your brain function. By breaking down glucose and harnessing the energy stored in its chemical bonds, Your cells can produce ATP, the energy currency that keeps you alive. From glycolysis to the electron transport chain, each stage of cellular respiration plays a vital role in ensuring your body has the energy it needs to function. So, the next time you take a breath or eat a meal, remember, your body is working hard to keep your cells running smoothly.